Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $300? In this video, we will look at some of the 3 best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Monoprice Maker Select 3D Printer V2. Next up on our list is the Monoprice Maker Select 3D Printer. It's heavier than the previous model, however comes with a few extra features to make up for it. As it commands more of a presence on your desk, that is definitely a factor that needs to be taken into account when choosing a quality inexpensive 3D printer under $300. With a robust software suite and manual leveling, it provides for a supreme print experience when compared to the cheaper models Monoprice sells. Putting it together is an absolute breeze. Coming with only 6 screws total, it can be assembled in a matter of minutes and actually comes ready to start printing out of the box, as it includes some preloaded 3D printable models. This ensures you'll have an easy time with the setup and can, of course, get the right to producing models. It features a printing speed of up to 70 mm per second, allowing for speedy printing jobs, and a beautiful 100 to 400 micron resolution, meaning you can actually put some great detail into your prints too. As for its base functionality, it is capable of taking all types of 3D filaments, meaning you don't have to be picky with your material types, and even has its own microSD slot. The slick display panel is actually somewhat external, as it's connected to the machine by wire only, meaning you can set up your display on a different shelf if needed. Working with the most common software such as Cora, Repetier, and Simplify 3D. I feel this is a great model for anyone looking to get into 3D printing for the first time. Number 2. JGMAKER Magic 3D Printer DIY Kit. Number 5 on our list comes from JGMAKER. It's one of the more sleek designed printers available on the market, sporting a beautiful display panel, and it's one of the best 3D printers under $300 available on the market. Sporting industrial grade silicone wire, and made from the same aluminum used in airplanes, has a solid metallic structure to it, and best of all, it actually features a built-in power supply, offering increased safety in the design. It's got quite the list of features compared to the sub-$200 models that float around the web, built with sturdy components that quickly warm up to the required printing temperature, and a removable filament holder allowing for easy storage of the device without sacrificing function. Extremely light, weighing just about 20 pounds, it makes a great addition to any budding 3D printer's workshop. Setup time is a bit more than the models previously mentioned, so if you aren't feeling confident in your construction abilities, stay away. However, if you can brave the challenge of the build and return, you'll receive an extremely efficient machine that comes with both print failure detection and resume capabilities, meaning when things go bad, you'll still be in business to print. Number 3. GEEETECH A10 3D Printer Best for Kids. What GEEETECH's A10 3D printer lacks in looks, it surely makes up for in performance, providing a beautiful open-source firmware ensuring that both the developers of the software and the community can work in unison to improve the printer for the good of all, means you'll never be without updates to the internal software. Its printing surface is actually one of the largest on this list, coming in at 22 centimeters all around, with the height almost that of a ruler. It's an extremely versatile machine designed for printers of all different ages and experience levels, though I would stay away from an open design for first-timers. Another unique feature is an adjustable extruder. Many printers are fixed, and making tweaks to the spring force is no simple task, thus the machine was designed with the tinkerer in mind, allowing for easy fixes. Probably one of the most interestingly unique features is actually the reset button. Most printers have auto-resume functions that sometimes fail to leave you with a half-built design that can't even be salvaged. Not the A10. It's just one button push to force the software to continue printing, allowing for a less automated return to print feature.